Hello guys and welcome. In this tutorial I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to install CorelDraw 2020 after downloading. So without much ado, let's get started. First, what you need to do, we have to disconnect our internet here. Okay, so I'll just disconnect my internet. Then when you are done disconnecting your internet, the next step you have to take is also to disable your antivirus. So I'm using Windows security. So I'll just click on here to show all the icons. Then I'll just double click on my Windows security here. So when I get to uh, this side, I just have to go in, then go direct to manage settings. So from here, anything that is on, put it off. Okay, so I'll put it off. I'll close this window, but rather I'll what, minimize it. One will ask, why am I disable my antivirus? The reason why you must disable your antivirus is because the software that you downloaded actually have a key generator in, and almost 99% of the key generators, our antivirus see them as a virus. So before you finish extracting the file itself, the antivirus have cleared the key gen. Okay, so that's the reason why we are what, disable our uh, antivirus. Okay, all right. So when you downloaded the file, it will be in this um, zip folder aspect. Okay, so what we need to do here, we need to what, extract it. So this kind of file actually is called archive WinRAR. So if you don't have it installed on your laptop or PC, just Google for WinRAR. It's free. Okay, and it's not that big, very small. Okay, so now let us extract our file here. So you can tell that the extraction has begun. So we just wait for it. It will finish soon. Then we can begin the installation. Okay. All right. So as you can see, it's almost close to the end, and we are done. Now this is the folder that we will be what, working with. Okay. So when you open it, then we open it again for us to see the full files. Okay. So when you look at this folder here called crack. So this key generator actually, when the antivirus is on, you may not find it there. Automatically, the antivirus will clear it out. Okay, good. So let's go back and let's begin with the installation. So all what you need to do here is, so right click on the setup here, then run it as administrator. And let's confirm it. Yes. Let's minimize this file here because we'll come to it. So now you can tell that our CorelDRAW have started installing. And when you reach this side, okay, let's go back to the folder that we just minimized, and you will come all the way to the crack. Okay, first, for you to get more knowledge about all these things, open this README. So the README say what? Disable internet, run setup, paste key below, or generate from the keygen. So either we use this same code here, the serial number here, or we go over and or what, open the keygen, then we can select CorelDraw Graphics Suite 2020. Then we can what, generate a new serial number. Okay, so I'll just copy this one. So I won't close the key generator yet. So I'll just go back to my installation here. Then I'll what, paste in the serial number. Then all what you need to do is hit next. So on this next aspect, just click on typical installation straight ahead. Then you find yourself on this screen. So this actually runs the installation. Okay, so let's just wait for it, for the installation to to run, okay, completely. Right, so now it's installing Microsoft Visual CC Plus. If you are not using the earlier versions of Windows, which is Windows 10, you might have to download it separately then install. As far as you are using Windows 10, then automatically it will be installed. Okay, so as you can see, our installation is continuous from 6%. So we'll just be patient till it hits 100%. Then we will see the CorelDraw icons display on the desktop. Okay, guys. So let's just wait patiently for the installation to be done. All right. So here, as you can tell, you can see that. Let's minimize all this. So you can tell that we have some icons on our desktop, which automatically tells us that our installation is being was successfully. Okay. So when you reach here, you don't need to sign in, you don't need to do anything. What you need to do here is what? Close it. Okay, immediately. Close it. All right. So now let's go to the installation guide here. They say what after installation is finished, install update.x setup. So if we should go back, we'll find the update here. So this is the update. So we'll just install that one. So let's wait for that one to finish installing also. Then all right, so as you can tell, the update is being installed. So let's just wait patiently for it to finish installing. Okay, then we can move on. All right, so our installation is almost done. As you can see, click finish to exit. So we click on it. Then we go back to the readme file again. Then they say what? Open once, click agree to terms. When you get the login window, close it immediately. So now what we have to do, we have to what? Open the CorelDraw, okay, which is this one. We'll double click it for it to open. So you can tell now the interface is on it. So it means that when we get here, we just click on agree. Then immediately we reach here, then it say what? We should click close. Okay, so we said yes, because that's the directive here. Okay, so now the next thing we need to do, we need to copy and replace the crack file in the path. Okay, so if we should go to the folder here again, and we go to the crack here. So now we are going to copy this pass motility, okay, dot dll. So when we copy it, where are we to post it? We are to paste it in the program file. So when you come here, you can right click on it, then some gives you this file location. So it will automatically open the file location for you. Okay, but actually this so what we need to do is let's click on file location again, or we go to my computer, then we go to the hard disk straight ahead. Then we can go in for program files, then we locate the Corel folder. Okay, so when we locate the Corel folder, it's saying that we should paste the crack that we just copy into the path motility. So we click it and we open this one. Then this is where we are to paste what we just copied. So you right click and paste, then we replace it. Okay, so we continue, and automatically we have replaced what is in there. Okay, good. Now we are done with the crack. So now your CorelDraw is actually fully activated. But you see, there it's left with one last thing for for us to do. After finishing installing, uh, then you install the updates, then you install the crack or the patch. Okay, though it's been activated fully, but there's a way we can block the Cora updates that normally come, then it will blacklist your installation. Okay, so to do that, these are the link that we have to block in our host. How then do we find this host? Please, let's pay attention here. Okay, so what you need to do is click here and let's search for Notepad. Okay, then you right click on it and run it as administrator. Okay, so you click on yes. So here we are going to find the host file. So for you to achieve it, we click on file, then we click on open. Okay, when you click on open, go to my computer, go into the local hard disk, then go to Windows here. Okay, then after you go into the Windows, search for System 32. Okay, System 32. This is the System 32 folder. Double click it to open it. Then when you open it, search for drivers. Okay, drivers. So this is the drivers. So double click to open it. And here you see the text format here. Change it and set it to all files. So you see that more files will open. Then we search for host. Okay, so the moment you search for host, you see the host here. Click on it, then you click open. So automatically, this is the host file that we are looking for. And you can tell I have blocked pirated sites. So if someone should take my laptop or PC and he wants to download any link from the pirated site and stuff, any link, if the link that he or she will type will come from this blacklist sites that I've put here, automatically it's not going to have access. Okay, so here this is what we are going to do. We are going to copy everything here, then you come to the top here or below, anywhere you post it, it will still work. Okay, so let's go to the top here and what, let's enter for space, then we paste it. All right, so if you paste it, we are not done. We just have to change the IP. So this is our automatic IP, our local IP. Okay, so we just copy it. You come here, you paste it. Okay, you do same to all of them. You do same to all of them. So you paste, you do same, you do same. Last one, then we do same here also. So the moment you are done here, all what you need to do here is click on this close button. It will prompt you to save. Then you hit on save. So the moment you hit on save, automatically it has been saved. So which means that now we have blocked any updates that will come from CorelDraw. Okay, so now let's close everything. Let's close it. Let's close it. Let's leave the keygen on still. So let's try and open our CorelDraw and see the outcome of it. Okay, so it's in the initialize mode. So let's just be patient. It's loading. All right, so now you can tell that we it didn't take us to the sign up page again. Automatically, we are on our screen here, and the moment you find yourself on this screen, then congratulations, it means that you have followed every step. That's why you are seeing this screen. Okay, so now your CorelDraw is fully activated and you can now use it. And because of the updates that we have blocked in the host, automatically you may not have any updates that's actually going to blacklist your installation. Okay, so I hope this short tutorial to help you and for you to know how to install the CorelDraw 2020. Okay, so all I'll say, thank you for watching.